How to turn off active status on Facebook and Messenger. Hello everyone, welcome to this channel. I'm Emily and I'm here to help you out today. So without any delay, let's get started. So first of all, make sure you have stable Wi-Fi connection on your device. After that, launch the Play Store application and search for Messenger application. Just make sure you have an updated version of Messenger application. As you can see on the screen, there is no option of update, which means we have the latest version of Messenger application. So we're just going to tap on open and it will lead us to Messenger application. Here I've already selected on the settings option over here. So as you land on settings, you can simply tap on the active status option under the profile category over here. So just tap on active status and here it is toggle on, that shows when you're active. So if you want to turn off the active status on Facebook and Messenger, simply toggle off this option. And here you can just tap on until I change it. So you can select the custom time as well, but I'm going to tap on until I change it and then tap on pause, and there you go. So that's it. Thank you so much for watching this video. See you next time.